Kenny Brown here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Brand new 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. It's in a two-tone color with the nice gray bottom, black hull. It looks really good with the black powder-coated arch. It's powered with the Mercury 200 horsepower four-stroke engine, has sea deck all throughout. Let's take a look at the inside. Here we are aboard this new 2026 210 SPX Outboard Sea Ray. As you can see, as I mentioned earlier, it has a sea deck out here. Notice how you can walk across here. For this size of a boat, folks, it has an enormous amount of room here, this nice rear sun lounge for sun tanning. As I step down here into the cockpit area, you can see all of the room here for entertaining. You've got your captain's chair here. Notice this seat right here does recline back and forth. Has your Simrad electronics here right at the helm. Your digital throttle and shift, your Fusion stereo. Of course, you get inclement weather, you can close this windshield if needed. And then look at all the room up here. You can sit down here and relax. Folks, this boat, for its size, has all the amenities to have a fun, awesome day out on the water, at the beach, at the sandbar, at the island. It'd be my pleasure to show it to you. Again, my name is Kenny Brown, MarineMax Panama City Beach. You can reach me directly anytime at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's about making memories on the water.